I'm a soldier of fortune, always fighting for fortune. With charts as my maps and trades as my guns in this war of the markets. I'm out on the run. It's a battle on the run. It's the battle of the bulls and the bears. Every trade is a risk and I'm taking my share. In the trenches of Wall Street, I'm standing my ground with my eyes on the prize and my ear to the sound. Like the choppers above, my signals fly high, scanning the landscape for the clear open sky. With my comrades in trading, we hold the front line. Every loss is a lesson, every win is divine. It's the battle of the bulls and the bears unfolds. I'm a warrior of numbers, nerves of pure gold. The ambush of losses and the snipers of fear, I keep pushing forward with each tick of the year. It's the battle of the bulls, it's the battle of the bulls and the bears of the sound. It's the battle of the bulls and the bears. Every trade is a risk and I'm taking my share. In the trenches of Wall Street, I'm standing my ground with my eyes on the prize and my ear to the sound. In the fog of the market, where the chaos unfolds, I'm a warrior of numbers with nerves of pure gold. Through the ambush of losses and the snipers of fear, I keep pushing forward with each tick of the year. It's the battle of the bulls and the bears. Every trade is a risk and I'm taking my share. In the trenches of Wall Street, I'm standing my ground with my eyes on the prize and my ear to the sound. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I'm a man, I got a bull market plan. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark. I'm a man, I'm a man, I'm a money-making man. I'm a man, I got a bull market plan. I'm a man, I'm a stock market king. I'm a man, I'll make those dollars rain. I'm a shark, swimming through Wall Street. I'm a shark, never accept defeat. I'm a shark, taking on the big fish. I'm a shark, I'll get my biggest wish. Gonna make that money, fight the Wall Street fight. Gonna take those bankers down with all my might. I'm a stock market rebel, gonna make my mark. I'm a man with the Wall Street spark.
are live, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. How are we doing today? We are back at it live. All right, let's take a look. Silu with a little bit of a climb did pop up yesterday or the day before. Kite, I do. Any news? I did see some people talking about it. NVAX looking somewhat interesting. Did have a nice little pop up the last couple of days. AEMD not looking like something I care about. EDBL edible green. Ooh, this one could be interesting. They did a reverse split a while ago. Not a lot of volume there. FRGT also another one. We'll take a look at that in a sec. VRAX had a nice little pop up to 362, came back down to 262. So it did drop $1 off of its highs. SXTC, also another one. VNDA looking steady, like that. Saw some news this morning. Got a buyout offer. WISA, a little bit of movement here. SXTP also looking interesting. Zcar, I almost refuse to play this stock. FFIE getting a little bit of momentum going on. NUI and CPL just spiking up now. VHAI. VLCN having a nice little pop up. Did drop the other day. They did announce a 1 for 100 reverse split, which would put the float incredibly tight. Take a look here at GME. GME did bounce up to $32.94 around that $33 area. Did come down. We did see some pop-ups. Apparently, we do have some potential rate cuts coming in hot, ladies and gentlemen. Did you hear me? Rate cuts. We don't even know if inflation has been fully killed yet, and we're already speculating on rate cuts. Interesting, to say the least. Oil has moved back up. It did manage to hit $74.94 earlier today. Currently trading around $74.30. Quite interesting. Silver still hanging on to that $30 area. Do still expect to pull back down to the 28s. We've only hit 29.40 so far, which either way can still consider a buying opportunity. Gold has been trading sideways the last couple of days and continues to do so. Did have a little bit of a spike today. Let's take a look. SPWR not really doing all too much. KITT. We do have a day trade, and we also got cash account, of course. We traded 2 times yesterday. We made money both times yesterday. So we're on a 2 for 2. 2 for 2, baby. Let's keep up the grind. VLCN looking somewhat interesting. Has been going down. Bounce off $11.99. Volume is not crazy as of yet. But again, they did announce that stock split. So we shall see. We could get a bit of a rally back to the 16 depending on the interest. So far, I'm not a big fan of what I see so far, but how do you say? Market still has yet to open. We are about 9 minutes away. FRGT did manage to hit 135. I think FRGT could be a potential play. I think we will come back down to this 84 area on FRGT. So another play that we can pay attention to. For now, we're going to leave up FRGT because right now it's the only one really that I like as a stock. Setup is not great, but I don't really see any other tickers with great setup. So Hey, oh hey, what's up, bro? Good morning, man. AMC, Genie, SunPower load up June 21st. Let's fucking go get rich, y'all. Salute to you, good sir. Yep, I'm still in them SunPower. I also bought some PLTR calls, which a little bit out the money for end of this week. Definitely a gamble, but let's see what happens. Maybe the market's feeling a little froggy today. You know what I'm saying? I think we will honestly, I think today we'll probably get a little bit of a pullback because we had a big pop up yesterday and we had a slight. I think we'll probably get an opening drop in the market. Wouldn't surprise me. VRAX starting to pop back up here. Probably gonna have a lot of resistance up above. Kind of an issue here. Yeah, as of right now, I'm just gonna keep an eye on FRGT. We'll go to the 3 minute. We are heading down to the lower end of the RSI. We did break this 102 support. We're now below $1. I think we might have a little bit more waiting to do. If not, we could get an instant pop up to this 120 level. Again, I do not trade in the pre-market. I've learned my lessons. Alright, yeah. Again, FRGT does seem to be finding a little bit of support. I do still think we go back down to this low 80 level. Keep an eye on it. Yesterday we did trade and won even after a drop at the open. I bought in a little too early, but I did buy the dip, lowering the average, pop up and sell out, which is something we love to see. Quickly update this watch list again. Nothing really changing here. FRGT is still trying to hug on or hold on to this 102 support level. Could be a good buy opportunity. We did dip below 102, but as of right now, nothing crazy. Volume is not particularly concerning. We do have an interesting RSI and MACD setup, but again, I want to see what happens. That opening volume is going to cake up. They're probably going to try to push it down below. ONMD looking interesting. ONMD has had some beautiful runs as of late. We do have some levels that we could retest to. We do seem to be hitting a bit of an awkward support. Would have liked to see a little slightly better. We did hang below a support level yesterday, or kind of in a support channel. AEMD on the 5 minute does have a good setup as well. Definitely could see a pop up here. I could see a pop up to the 80s. Would be a nice little 10-cent gain below $1. Silver has climbed its way back up. It is looking slightly better than gold and oil. AEMD not looking terrible. We are still at 76. SMSGM. This one has had a couple of pops as of late, which we did see this morning. ISPC doesn't look terrible. Again, don't really like this setup. We do have a gap at 54, so we could see a run back up here. Something actually. But we also do have a gap down below, so FRGT still hugging on to 102. NCPL bouncing off of 10 cents here. Did have that beautiful run up to 40 cents. Could be a good buying opportunity here. Well, low volume though. We do need to see that volume. BNRG also not looking terrible. I would put it up there as one of the potential re-pop-ups here. There's probably a couple of plays in here. AEMD already popping up to the 70s off of this 67 level that we were just looking at. Has bounced a lot healthier of a bounce on AEMD than FRGT. All right, we are 2 minutes away from the open, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Good luck to you. Keep an eye on SunPower as well, and GME, of course. We could retest this 2750 level on GME, setting up for a potential run up either tomorrow or on Friday or maybe even next week. Do still have those call options loaded, and we have a gap down below, but as of right now, nothing yet to fear. BSFC once again finding its way to the screener, even though volume has been low. GNLN, a little bit of a pop-up here. KITT making its way upwards. Does have some room. I think we could probably fill this mid-range, 22 cents, 3 cent gain, which would be about, I don't know, slightly 13 to 15% from this current price. But here we go. Market's opening in less than 1 minute. We shall see as we enter. I hope everyone had a good Tuesday. I hope everyone has a good Wednesday. Let's get ready to dance. 30 seconds left to go. INHD. We're going to let the market filter itself out here. Three, two, one, and away we go, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck to you in the markets today. I'm gonna need it. You're gonna need it. We're all gonna need it. FRGT, slight little bit drop here. All right, let's pay attention here. FRGT is relatively cheap, so that's good. We got a BNRG, a little bit of a bounce. We could see a quick spike here, potentially retesting 160. FRGT already falling down again. I think we do still need to retest those 80s. AEMD already breaking over the 70s. XYLO. Didn't this one pop up massively? And massive volume. The volume disappeared. Good opening volume on the XYLO. You know, we're gonna take a test on this. Last time I was looking at it and it didn't really do much. It could just be the case of opening volumes high. Who knows? Who knows? Take a 25 share position on this. We do still have a decent amount to trade with. So we've taken our first trade. There we go. FRGT had that drop. We did hit 95 and we're now moving up. FRGT 108. We could see 115 again. AEMD with that spike up, looking a lot better than. There we go. KITT. So FRGT, AEMD, and KITT had that opening spike. ISPC not looking terrible. BNRG fallen. We do have a pretty high gap. Maybe just ISPC popping up. KITT looking to break 2170. AEMD back into the 77s. VRAX still struggling slightly. DYAI. Let's actually take a look at the other account real quick. ELTK has fallen a decent amount. PLTR moving up. We like to see. We like to see. A quick spike at the open. Nothing crazy. Some power. Some power. Normal drop in the morning. Nothing crazy. XYLO. Not a lot of volume on this. Alright, let's quickly update this. We did have the market open, so there's probably a couple of new plays. INHD looking to break yesterday's highs. Alright, we're going in 100 shares. How is that even possible? There we go. Wait, oh crap, this is the wrong account. Shit. Okay, well, I guess we gotta make it dance. Not great. We already messed up at the open, but we'll stick with it. And it's not really going our favor either. Well, we slightly messed up there, but FRGT moving up 117. Good rebound. AMD had a nice little spike there. KITT, we did not break 2170, and we're now heading on our way back down. I have a very large opening volume. A bit of a tricky situation here. VRAX getting dropped. FRGT going the complete other way. 124 moving up. Probably going to need to see some FRGT price action before we see anything else. Well, shit. I did not want to make that trade, but on this account, but we did, so we're gonna stick with it. It's not looking terrible. Still like it. Those look a little awkward. Alright, well, shit, this is not the position I wanted to be in. Hold up, let's take a look at... We had a misclick. That's what happened, guys. Okay. Still like INHD setup, though. I got in just on the wrong account, which makes it tricky because that means I got to use my day trade now on this account, which I didn't want to do. But still like the setup. Still expecting the volume to kick in. Hey, Steven, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? Good morning. Okay. No, we're going even more. Why not? Not the greatest fan of this hanging, but we'll see how it goes. Right now we're polling in at 6th position on the market open. Volume slightly lower than I expected. Alright, VRAX with a good little bounce here. VRAX is going to be heading up here. FRGT. I'm not sure if FRGT has enough juice to break that level. But if it does, we got a good run. AEMD looking for another spike here. ISPC still looking good. KITT with a big drop. And there we go. CLU finally getting that volume that I was looking for yesterday. Or the other day. Did not get it. BNRG also looking pretty good. Volume wise, we're not doing terrible. 17 million the other day. We're currently trading at, I mean, This is the third highest volume day on this ticker. We're on the daily. Last time we popped up was not a terrible setup on this ticker. Not a terrible setup. Wish it was a little. I wish we see a little slight nudge on that volume. I got into it for a reason. FRGT, one slight double top here, but still has the volume for potentially breaking that 135 high. You know what? We're probably going to get a little bit of a drop here. I'm going to go. We're going to put in a. Put in a buy order right there. Actually, you know what? So we're in two plays. XYLO is another play. Not looking terrible. So we kind of picked plays with low volume. That's kind of the issue. Lower volume, meaning that they're probably going to be movers later on in the day if they do get the volume. If they don't, we're just going to see a drop on this. Mid-range, I don't know. Probably not going to. The VRAC's moving back up here. Hold up. Let's take a look at PLTR here for a second. We're still not doing terrible on this INHD. Wish volume is spread out a little bit more. Look at PLTR go, baby. 2354. Come on. Make up for my mistakes. You can see I got those call options. We're not doing terrible on them either. Not great. Not terrible. Hold up, let me take a look. So we got low volume pop up. Did get dropped yesterday. Probably don't got much to work with there. Let's take a look at some of these other plays. Okay, you know what? No, volume is not there. All right. Still got PLTR, man. VWAP is high on this play. we're now trying to find support at 77. All right, so bit of a mixed bag here. 0.03, which is nothing crazy. We hit 91, which we broke that level. We broke that level. Yep, which makes sense. We retest the bottom end of that. Actually, I don't know. The volume is a bit tricky on this play. All right, let's go back to the screener here. All right, VRAC's now coming back down. FRGT has hit its levels, so it's probably gonna take a bit of a dip. Profit taking. VNDA looking to come back up. KITT has fallen off. CLU still looks pretty good. All right, hold up. Which account am I on? I'm on this account. Okay. Let's not make that mistake again. The other one I gotta pay attention to though is PLTR, man. Up 15% on a 2% move. That's not bad. Look, we just broke highs, did we not? No, we hit 54, which was already those highs. Yeah, I don't know. Feels early. So I don't really want to make a decision on this play yet. Feels slightly early. PLTR taking a bit of a dip. I mean, we have made a significant move. What's that daily look like? Damn, okay, we already filled like half of that up. If I had a day trade on this, I would go puts, but me finger slipping on this bad boy. Yeah, so opening volume was 2.4. We had 6.8, which was the second largest. Then we had 17. And we got 1.67 today. We got 1.7. Alright, $30 account to 3,000 in just 3 weeks. Holy shit. All thanks to SunPower. Load up on GME and AMC. Let's fucking go. Meme stonks is all I need, baby. Let's get rich, family. Let's go, baby. Like to hear it. Like to hear it. Is this the daily? Daily RSI is pretty high. This is one of those plays that runs on massively. There we go, PLTR. Come on, PLTR. Break those highs. 54. We're looking for 55. All right. Oh, there we go. Damn. Really? So we're not going to get any volume. We're covering volume and then selling off volume, profit taking. Alright, PLTR hit new highs. RSI is cooked. Oh, I guess we'll just make them free. Why not? Alright, we sold out of those. Make those Those sons of bitches. Did they really just do that? Wow. Wow. Yeah, that was a little too obvious, wasn't it? Fuck. Not the greatest day. I don't know. Are we finding any volume? Hold up. Yeah. We could be a back burner victor. Alright, let's update this again. Did FRGT just break? Yep, FRGT did break 135. Hit 141. VRAX coming back down now. AEMD struggling with that resistance level. ISPC. CLU had some good volume. Dropped off. We got some news. CHSN popping up. BNRG fell and then popped. Z-Carb. Still can't trade it. Alright, so we did break. The spread on this is way too large. And we got too much emptiness down here, that's the problem. He still thinks we could see a nice little run up though. And volume is not there. Well, that was such a okay. Still holding on. Something tells me, see, VRAX is slowing down. FRGT still looks like it has some room to go here. Another 150, yeah, 151. We're gonna get popped down. If you do break that, hold up, let's see. You got 170, 170. 170 seems to be resistance. Yeah, FRGT has all the volume. Oh, there we go. FRGT 149. Alright, so 150 resistance, 170 resistance. AEMD coming down. CLU not really doing much. BNRG with a nice little spike. Oh, can't believe my fucking whatever. That was such dumb trading. Yeah, if it breaks below this level. Alright, we'll just set a stop on that. Let's look at PLTR. PLTR shooting back up. FRGT 156 halted on the way up. Wow. We were following that at $1 as well. I still see some buying pressure. Boom, gets the volume, rip up. VLCN's coming back down. Broke down. We got 60. We got 68. All right. ONMD also coming back up. Nice little spike. Some power moving up. 329. Let's take a look at GME here. GME hit 34.30. Wow. Managed to bounce very nicely. They're gonna throw me out of this. Just do it, man. That was a mouse slip. I chalk it up to the mouse slip. FRGT unhalted 168, gap at 156, 157, which we did just fail, so we're getting a slight topping pattern. ISPC. How are we still in this? We got lift moving up, by the way. GME still looks like it wants to come up here. Ooh, whoa, some power, big move. Okay. Come on, some power. Whoa, some power with big volume as well. If I go 30-minute, yeah, we got this. We got resistance at around 362, but we've already hit this a couple of times. Hey, let's go. Congrats, OA. Good job, bro. $349. This is weird. 350. Woo, some power really moving. Damn, those $5 calls not looking too bad. What's going on here? It's gonna hit like 68 and then rally again. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. PLTR moving back up. Some power hit 354. We're on to the next candle. Curious to see though. Oh, okay. Well, no, we're not stopped out yet. We do have covering going on. Some power pullback. Alright, well, we messed that up. Where's he gonna take it? Happens. No, we still got some power. PLTR as well. PLTR moving right back up. Wait, let me look at the options on these. What? Whoa, what happened here? $23s are in the money. PLTR low volume. Dun, 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 dun. What about ELTK? How's the ELTK? No, this one's still got to drop. It's gonna go back to the 10s. DTCK. Still waiting for that big pop. Does look squeamish. And they're trying to get people out of those 3.5s. All right, let's take a look. FRGT hit 168 coming back down, so it did kind of come up to that 170. CLU 205 starting to move up here. VNDA doesn't look terrible. REPL with a big pop. BNRG not doing anything. ONMD doesn't look terrible. They're coming up right to that 500. FFIE, no. CELU 233. Wow. Yeah, 3 minute, a little bit overbought. REPL. And cancer, no. Opened up at 5. Did have a massive pop in volume towards the end of the day. And we don't have a day trade on the other one. So this is my last trade. Good little bounce right there. What's GME doing? GME's still kind of stuck there. I'm out. I'm just gonna. That was a revenge trade. Whatever. That was so bad. Opened up terrible. It's all good though. Alright, guys. That's it for me today. Wasn't the greatest. Messed up the opening. What? Messed up the opening pretty badly. So, hey, but it happens. So, but yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good Wednesday. Is today Wednesday or is today Thursday? Today's Thursday. Hope you guys have a good Thursday. I will catch you guys all tomorrow morning. Until next time, peace.